Introducing the Rocketbook Fusion. 42 reusable pages with 7 different templates for planning, listing, goal setting, note-taking, sketching, and sharing big ideas. Organize your personal and professional life, then use the Rocketbook app to blast your notes to the cloud. Finally, by using any writing tool from the Pilot Friction line, the Fusion can be wiped clean with a damp microfiber cloth. Let's take a closer look at the templates. The Task Tracker lets you assign projects, due dates, and estimated completion times to your tasks. It also includes a space to mark your tasks as complete. The Weekly Planner consists of 2 blank weekly spreads. You can write in your own dates at the top of the page and in the planner itself, allowing for ultimate agenda customization. At the end of each week, erase and plan again. The Monthly Calendar template follows the same logic. Fill in your month and dates first, and then add your events and holidays. Use the bottom fourth of the page to keep track of monthly events and to-dos, or future events that you might want to add to next month's calendar. The Objectives and Key Results, or OKR Keeper, is for you to keep track of your bigger goals. Utilize this template to outline and monitor your progress towards big accomplishments. The last template in the Everlast Fusion notebook is the Ideas page. This template lets you get all your ideas down on paper. Great for getting your creative and innovative juices flowing in classic analog form. Following the first 5 templates are 18 dot grid pages and 18 lined pages to use to your heart's content. The dot grid pages are perfect for sketching ideas, brainstorming, solving equations, drawing graphs, and doodling. While the lined pages are best used for taking organized notes, writing, and journaling. The future of note-taking and planning is officially here. Get your Rocketbook Fusion today to blast off into a new realm of creativity and productivity.